Hi viewers, hope you are all fine. Like many YouTubers, I was also having audio quality issues due to low quality mic. I searched a lot on internet and after going through a lot of sites and reviews, I finally chose a mic for myself. Today, I finally got my order. I'm anxious to see what's inside this box, which weighs almost 1.5 kgs. The outer packaging is not so good and is pressed and damaged from outside, but let's hope everything's alright inside. Now let's get started with the package unboxing and also see how this mic sounds like. Now let's start opening it carefully. Let me take off the tape. Alright, now let's open it up and see what's inside. It's upside down. Alright, so here is our mic. Everything looks alright, fine. Inside, here's the manual. Here's the pop filter. We'll unwrap it in a moment. Here's the main thing, the mic. Looks in fine condition to me. Not too heavy, not too light, medium weight. Let's check for the cables. This one goes on the bottom and connects with the computer. Alright. Also got the extender. It's for the mic and the headphone both. Alright. Here we have the stand. The clamp, first of all. It's sealed. Let's open it up. It's the clamp, it will go with the table. Alright. Here we have the stand. Okay, everything looks. And this is the holder for the mic. And what's this? Let's open it up. Okay, so the mic go in this. So this is the shock mount, I think, and this is the mic holder. Okay, so let's start assembling it. So it's all assembled now. Let's mount it on the table and let's hear how this sounds like. Also, let's unwrap the pop filter. Very hard sealed. We'll have to go rogue with it. Good build quality, brilliant, made of steel. Everything looks good. Let's go ahead and mount this. So finally, it's the moment of truth. This is how my voice sounds like without this mic. And this is how my voice sounds with this mic. So you can clearly see the voice difference and the mic quality. From now on, you'll be listening to my videos through this mic. If you liked the video, be sure to give a thumbs up to the video and subscribe the channel. We'll meet you in the next video. Take care.